In the moonlit Giggle Grove, a clockwork tree wakes up and giggles whenever a joke rings true. A sprightly sprite named Pippa sneezes out rainbow clues, guiding a band of curious kids to secret doors. They solve playful riddles like why the moon wears a hat and how to make rainbows sing in steps. Each clue sparks laughs as friendly critters perform tiny riddle dances, turning every stumble into splashy sparkles of wonder. By twilight, friendships twirl, curiosity grows, and the clock gleams with spun sugar laughter for tomorrow's adventure.